Poorva Appara, a design fashion student from the Sri Lanka Institute of Textile and Apparel. Studying at LPU has been an absolute dream for me. Students from over 50 countries come together here, so it feels like the whole world in one place. The culture, the festivals, and of course, the fashion here is so exciting. LPU facilities are just out of this world. The design labs are so well equipped and the library has endless resources. The opportunities here are endless, from the global workshops to industry visits. Everything is geared towards to make sure you have a global career. What stands out the most to me is how LPU really encourage international students to chase their dreams. To my fellow Sri Lankan students, if you're considering where to study, let me tell you, LPU is the place to be. It is where you'll grow, you'll make memories, and you will start your journey to a global career.